the brown Primantis. We call it walking stick. And you have the male and the female. He already mate. He go mate in seasons. And then she go somewhere and lay the eggs. See? The eye up top there. These are the legs. And the male on the back. Let me touch you, show you. She move up, you see? She move a little more. So you could see she. Camouflage. Just like the tree bark. So if you don't look very carefully, you couldn't even notice this. It's a beautiful sight to see. Mother Nature. And it's right on my cherry tree. Pretty like what?